Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas, and this is February the 27th on a Monday. Seeing a gap up in the market, you can see it here, gapping up around that 400, which is a pivot level. So be careful because we have seen a lot of selling over the last week or two in the market. So always wary of these gap ups and a down tape. So just be cautious. I'm one that rather buy things on a pullback when it comes to swing trading. So let's take a look. One thing I'm looking at here is Cisco. I like what Cisco did after earnings. Had a nice earnings, big solid day after earnings, and we've had a series of pullbacks, and we filled the gap now, bounced off the 50. So look for a bar reversal, possibly in the Cisco for a possible swing trade. And let me see this GPC, I'm liking the way it's setting up here. Uh, had earnings, been holding up the last couple of days in a weak market. It's got a nice little breakout level here above the 180.50 in that GPC. UNG, this is actually our trade of the week call. You had a little washout after building a base, a little washout here in UNG, but now we are possibly breaking above, gapping right here up at this top of this range right here. So UNG may be a bounce in natural gas coming up. All right, one other, let's see, a little China name that's been holding up well, even though the China indices have been getting hit lately. This MNSO has been holding up well. A trade above the 1780 level might be worthy of a shot. And that's going to get it for today. Be careful once again, guys. Watch out for these big gap ups and a kind of a bear tape.